Bad Bunny just launched his new album and we're gonna make some merch for it. Let's do this. I'm gonna use this vintage gray t-shirt, which is a blank, and we're gonna put some elements from the album on it. I'm very excited for this project. We're gonna do some patchworks with some Sashiko style stitching. You'll know everything about it on this video. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I'll put the image here, but there's a few elements I really like about this album cover. The first one being the heart with the sad emoji face. And I have the three colors for them: white, basic black, and red. Most of it is gonna happen in the back. All the elements are gonna happen in the back. And we're gonna have some small logo here on the left chest area. And I think it's gonna be a cool t-shirt. Let's do it. If you're Bad Bunny watching this video, what's up? If you're not Bad Bunny, well, like and subscribe. And let's get to the video. Cheers. I just ironed the three colors as you saw, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to print out the actual image because every heart looks different and I kind of want to give it the same shape. I actually want to respect the shape that the artist drawn, so I'm going to do that. This sort of like circular slash flat shape here, the mouth shape, the hands shape, and then the legs. So I need quite a few things and I want to make sure the proportions are respected. Okay, so now we gotta do the white. So it's gonna be the hands and just the eyes. Does that look alright? Boom. Okay guys, so what do we think? Does it look real? Let me know in the comments. I think it looks cool, right? I like the eyes, I think the shape is there. I think on the gray of the t-shirt is gonna look really cool. The hands are kind of fucked, but I kind of like them like this. Okay, so I'm gonna start Sashiko stitching the heart onto the t-shirt. Look how cool the gray and the red looks together. It's really cool. And for that, I'm gonna need this special bobine, which is like it's a thick thread. It's a thick thread, okay, with a needle. And I'm gonna show you a little bit. I don't have the hang of this at all. This is my first time doing it for a video. Probably did it a couple times before. What's up guys, so throughout this video you're going to see me do the same technique of stitching called Sashiko stitching. If you are interested in a tutorial, I'm gladly going to do it in another video. Just let me know in the comments down below and I'll make that happen. Cheers. So while I do some B-roll, I wanted to tell you more about Sashiko stitching, which means little stabs in Japanese. So the Sashiko is a traditional, is a type of traditional Japanese embroidery or stitching used for decorative and or functional reinforcement of clothes and clothing. And this started in Japan around the 17th century. And there's two types of it. One is what is called like patchwork, which is just a layer of clothes going together, Sashiko stitched into a garment. and the other one is decoration. So you'll see different patterns, and it usually comes into this cream or white colorway strings onto blue denim or blue fabric. So I hope you liked it. Let's go back to the video. Alright, so I'm done with the dolphins. Now let's move on to the flowers, which would be at the bottom of the back of the t-shirt. Let's do it. Alright, I am now done with the back of the t-shirt. Little sneak peek of the flower right here. I did the 2 flowers on the back, and now we're gonna move to the front design. For the front, I wanna keep it simple, just the name of the album, Un Verano Sin Ti, but I printed it once. This is too big, and I printed it just a smaller way. And the idea is to have it stitched the same way on the front, but each letter will be a different color. So I kind of want to try a combination. I kind of like this layout going like this. Alright, I got my letters ready. They look a bit rough, but I think it's gonna look awesome on the t-shirt. So let's put them on the shirt. This is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna relax to some music and do it, and we'll show the reveal now.